Is AI taking over cybersecurity jobs? The short answer is not exactly, but it is changing how we work. Artificial intelligence is now used to automate routine tasks like threat detection, network monitoring, log analysis, and vulnerability scanning. It can process massive amounts of data faster than any human can. Cybersecurity still needs real people, analysts, engineers, GRC experts, who can investigate incidents, interpret AI findings, and make critical decisions during a crisis. Instead of replacing jobs, AI is shifting the skill set. It's removing repetitive work so professionals can focus on strategy, problem solving, and innovation. So no, AI isn't taking over cybersecurity jobs. It's creating new ones, demanding new skills, and pushing us to evolve. It's making the field smarter, faster, and more demanding than ever. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Share your feedback and questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials on cybersecurity. Thanks for watching.